First of all, think about the standards of success which we have set in our minds. What do we usually think of as success? Money, property, business, fame, power. We usually think that the more affluent someone is, the more successful. The more famous someone is considered successful. The more powerful someone is considered successful. If someone attains a high government position, he is considered successful. If someone builds a large business, he is seen as successful. This way of thinking is actually the main reason for our failure, because our concept of success drives everything we do. We chase after it, spend our energy on it, and work day and night for it. This mindset has misled us. Friends, true success is not just about wealth, fame, power, or authority. Real success is about faith, good deeds, and standing with the truth, and holding on to patience. I am not saying that you should not earn or do anything, or just sit idle. No, you should earn well, establish your identity, gain respect, wealth, and fame, because it is essential for you to meet these needs, as you have to responsibility of supporting your family and navigating the challenges of today's world. Strive to earn well, dress well, build a reputable image, provide quality education for your children, because these have become fundamental necessities in this modern era. Strive for these things. However, the foundation on which you must base all these achievements should rest on these four things: faith, good deeds, standing with the truth, and patience. These are the four fundamental things needed for success, because faith gives us the courage to walk the right path. Good deeds improve our lives. Standing for the truth strengthens our character. And patience gives us the strength to face challenges. This way, you would not go astray. In the pursuit of these things, don't forget your true self. Think about it. Changing this mental attitude can revolutionize a person's character. So accepting this idea is easy, but changing your mindset accordingly is tough. Actually, we are influenced by our surroundings. Seeing someone's big home or expensive car can make us feel envious and think, wow, they are so lucky and successful, without really knowing anything about them. This is the biggest misfortune and could be our biggest mistake if we let it define our concept of success. Because Allah says in Quran, you have to believe, bow and prostrate and worship your Lord and do good, that you may succeed. This is the biggest lesson. If this idea settles in our hearts and minds, our lives will change. Our mornings and evenings will change. Our priorities will shift. What seems important today will seem insignificant tomorrow. As the Prophet ﷺ said, I have no concern with your world. My example is like a traveler who rests under a tree for a while and then moves on. The tree is not his home. It's not his destination. Similarly, this world is not my home. Remember, we say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We come from Allah, and to Him we shall return. The Prophet ﷺ also said, live in this world as you are a traveler. This approach will only come when this verse is firmly settled in our minds. Wal asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. Illa allazina amanu wa amilu salihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. This is what we need to understand. We need to repeat and embed this verse in our minds, because it acts like precious thing that belongs to us getting dusty. If we don't clean it for a while, dust settles on it, and we need to clean it to maintain its value and shine. Similarly, our faith gets affected by the distraction of this world, and we need to clean it regularly. And the best way to clean the dust of our faith is to remember that success is not in these worldly things. The glitter and glamour that attract you are not real success. Don't get lost in this world. Don't let the love for this world overshadow you. Don't let its glitter overpower your hearts. Therefore repeat, Wal asr, innal insana lafi khusr. Again and again. Remind yourself that success is not about wealth, fame, or property. True success is only through faith, good deeds, walking on the path of truth, and patience. May Allah grant us the ability to achieve true success and give us the strength and courage to live in a way that allows us to be successful, both in this world and in the hereafter.